What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on AMP, which has more or less been fluctuating around its current price range with peaks and dips in between. So we'll be going through what is next for AMP, how high is it likely to go for the rest of November, December and going into 2025. Is this a good investment? Should you avoid it? Should you sell it, or should you hold on to it? But before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and hit that subscribe button and like the video. And also guys, there will be 100,000 subscriber giveaway, and yes, it will be cryptocurrency, so make sure you stay subscribed to get involved. And just a little disclaimer, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we are looking at the daily chart. So zooming in here, we can see that the RSI is currently at 62.22, which means it's not that bad. It's performing as it's meant to. It's not overvalued or undervalued, so it should be able to stay stable around its current price range. And at the top here, we can see that the value of AMP is within the blue and the red line here. So again, it is pretty much on target, and it can potentially just hover around its current price range. However, due to the little dip that's taken place for Bitcoin, dropping down to $95,000 right now, AMP is also likely to take a little bit of a hit, potentially over the next 24 to 48 hours, dropping down in value down to the blue zone is where I'm expecting. So down to about 0.004364 cents, somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting AMP to be dropping down to. However guys, if Bitcoin is able to hit the $100,000 mark by mid to end of next week, which I'm expecting it to do so, we should see a major increase, not just on AMP but the crypto market in general. But at the moment it is looking quite strong. I'm not expecting any major drops or peaks at the moment. So let's bring out the DEMA chart. So as you guys can see here, the current valuation from DEMA is 0.005027, and the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in blue at 0.005150. So once again, this proves to me that the crypto is performing like it's meant to, and it is pretty much on target. So at the moment, no major changes are expected. Let's zoom in into the 4-hour chart and find out even the hour chart, and look at what can we essentially expect over the coming weeks from AMP. So essentially by December and late December, how high and how low can it go? So as you guys can see, these are the targets that the crypto has been around over the approximate last week. Yes, we did see a sharp incline in value last Saturday, so on the 16th of November, and then it literally just dropped back down in value, dropped down a little bit further, peaked back up, and right now slowly starting to peak up again. However, it is likely to take a little bit of a dip and then essentially peak back up by mid to end of next week, up to over 0.006 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to peak up to by the end of next week. And in mid-December, we should be getting closer to 0.008 cents, and by the end of December, getting very close to the 1 cent target is where I'm expecting AMP to be heading to. And that is only if the crypto market and especially Bitcoin manages to keep up at that value and is able to head over $110,000 by the end of December. Then yes, we should see major increases in the crypto market, and AMP should be getting closer to the 1 cent target in late December and early January 2025. But so far so good guys. Bringing out the MACD indicator here, we can see the blue line is trading below the signal line here, which is the orange line, meaning it is not performing too well. And as I mentioned earlier on in the video, little dips in between are expected over the next couple of hours, hitting more red candles before essentially shoots back up in value by mid to end of next week, getting closer to 0.0065 cents in value. So as you guys can see here on the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has gone down by 2% in the last 24 hours, nothing major. And of course, last week, the trading volume was over $135 million due to the fact that the crypto market and especially AMP was pumping like crazy. It did hit up to 235 million, and then ever since then it's been dropping and hovering around $30 to $40 million in trading. So again, not as many people are trading the crypto right now due to how it's been performing, but it does look very promising. I myself do own AMP and have been owning it for the last couple of years, and I'm still holding on to it, and I will be holding on to it over the next few years, as I am expecting major increases in value from the crypto. Again, I'm not expecting quick increases, but slow and steady ones. But yeah, that is my prediction and my target on AMP, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting this crypto to go in 2024. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button to be entered for the cryptocurrency giveaway, and leave it a like. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.